Hi everyone, my name is Anne. I am a small backyard farmer from one of the beautiful provinces here in Negros Oriental, Philippines. I really like peaceful nature and animals. I like to share it with you by making more natural videos. I want to give everyone something special, from farm animals playtime, soothing sound of nature, funny moments with animals, and more exciting things from our daily farm life. Every contributions you make, either from your time or gifts, will go to our farm animals' food and needs. Thank you so much, and I'm so excited to get to know you. I wish you a happy day.